So let's talk about platinum grade silicone for just a second. Well, I guess we should just start with, what is it? Hey everyone, my name is Derek and I am the owner, creator, and head silicone slinger here at Video, where we make silicone toys for adults. So what is platinum grade silicone anyway? Well, platinum grade silicone just doesn't exist. It's not graded that way. Now, if that's all you wanted to know, then thanks for dropping by and I'll see you in the next video. But if you want to know more, well, stick around for a moment or two. I think that platinum grade silicone comes from a misunderstanding of what the word platinum means in platinum cure silicone. Silicone requires a catalyst to cure and harden. In some cases, that catalyst is a metal like platinum or tin, while in other cases, it's a chemical like peroxide. In the case of platinum cure silicone, then platinum is that catalyst. By the way, platinum cure silicone, that's the only silicone that can be considered body safe. In the case of tin cure silicone, tin is the catalyst that makes the silicone cure. The main problem with tin cure silicone is that in the curing process, it releases alcohols, and so it can't be considered body safe. Now, outside of adult toy making, tin cure and peroxide cure silicones do have their place. But platinum cure silicone is really the only kind of silicone that can be safely used to make our kind of products. Now, if you'd like a deeper comparison of tin cure silicone versus platinum cure silicone, well, I've got a video about that and here's a link. And I'll see you in the next video.